Hi everyone, this is Kerim Baran with SolarAcademy. Today I have with me Chris Ahn of LG Electronics. Chris is a Senior Vice President of LG Electronics USA, responsible for the um, home appliances division at LG Electronics, and he's got a very unique background. He's been with LG for over 25 years, if I am correct, and so we're going to talk a little bit about his tenure at LG as a company and LG ESS, the product, the energy storage system product of LG, and how everything connects in the world of LG and what makes them unique in the battery space for residential and beyond solutions in the world. Welcome, Chris. Good to have you.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for introduction. Yeah, my name is Chris Ahn. Just call me Chris. And then I have started my career in LG. In fact, this is my first company, and it's
Yeah,
been like
first and last
20,
employer.
right,
That's
right,
yeah,
almost 25 or 26 years. So
yeah.
I've started with like R&D, engineers in R&D center after my master degree of engineering, which is different, background, compared with current position. So I've
Yeah.
I've spent like 4 years in there, and I have decided to
This is
explore
in
another.
the R&D facilities back in Korea, correct?
Yeah, in Korea, correct?
Yeah,
Yeah, in
yeah,
Korea.
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
right, right. So I've been, after 4 years, I was like, I'm trying to explore another, um, the experience. So I've decided to go to overseas sales and marketing.
Yeah.
Um, it was not easy, but finally, I've done quite good job, and then I have dispatched to the product manager of LG Dubai operation. This is my
Yeah.
first, overseas experience. So
Yeah.
I'm taking care of HVAC business over there for six
Yeah.
years,
Wow.
and then I came back Korea again, and and I moved to another United States, 2013. So 5 years I've been taking care of HVAC business as well. And
Again, with LG, the HVAC business unit. Yeah.
exactly,
In the US.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then I back to Korea, and I was head of LG Energy Storage Solution business in globally.
I
So
see.
I've spent 4 years. That's my first, experience for energy business. Yeah, and I after that, yeah, I came back US again 3 years ago. So I became like head of HVAC and ESS business in the United States. So this is what I am. Yeah.
Yeah. Got it. Great. Well, thank you for that background. Can we also talk a little bit about LG and how big it is and what a vast company it is? I mean, from our previous conversations, I know a little bit. So,
Yeah,
can you
yeah.
give us a picture of like
All right.
LG, the group? There are the different big divisions
Yeah,
like
so
chemical,
okay.
telco, electronics, all of
All
that.
right. I try to,
Yeah.
explain the briefly. LG, we have like LG Group
Yeah.
as a lead by holding company. And we have LG Electronics, and we have LG Chemical, which is known as that belongs to LG Energy Storage belongs to there. And then we have LG Telecommunication. So this is three big, the group
Yeah.
companies belongs to LG Holdings. So it is
And
total
this is
LG
a
Group.
$150 billion a year
Yeah,
business.
that's yeah, 150 billion last year, I think, there's revenue.
Yep.
And but I'm in LG Electronics, so I'll explain LG
Which is
Electronics.
only which is only 63 billion in
Yeah, which is
revenue.
only 63 billion.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's LG Electronics. And
Yeah.
then we have in LG Electronics, we have four different companies.
Mhm.
One is home appliance and air conditionings, which is I belongs to.
Which is
And
where you are. Yeah.
yeah, HVAC and ESS business belongs to.
The
So
residential ESS business, energy storage business for resident for that is coupled
exactly,
with solar falls in there. Yeah.
exactly. Yeah.
That's on the home
Home
appliances. Got it.
appliance and air conditionings. We call it H&A company. Uh-huh.
Yep. Yep.
And then another one is like home entertainment company, which is
Yep.
TV Vision.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Everybody
OLED.
knows that. Yeah.
LCD,
The
you know
TVs and
well.
monitors.
Yeah,
Yes.
right. Another
Yep.
one is business solution, which is
Yep.
commercial display.
Yep.
And then uniquely, recently we have started EV charger
Yep.
business under
Yep.
that company.
Okay.
So kind of
That's
business
under
solution.
business solutions. Yep.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. And the last one is vehicle component.
Yep.
Like we are providing all kind of display in the car pickup and even powertrain and power motors for EV cars.
Yep.
So that's kind of unique, the company that the providing the EV, industry.
Yep.
So these four companies, it belongs to LG Electronics, and then under not under the, and the separate entity of LG Electronics, LG
Yep.
Display, and LG
Right.
Inotech is
Yep.
kind of the company that um, sell display to LG Electronics as well as other the brands, and
Yeah.
Inotech providing iPhone camera module over
Yeah.
50% total.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like 50% of iPhones have LG cameras in them. I did not know that.
But that's the number I need to make sure, but it
Verify. But a
can be
big
wrong. Yeah,
percentage.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
The
Because
quite
that's incredible.
large
Yeah.
portion.
Got it. Wow. Our topic today is LG ESS. So can you tell us a little bit about that product and also how it fits in that world of LG's home appliances division with the HVAC products, as well as probably the heat pumps and the other heater, water heater. You have a slew of products
Right.
under the home appliances. Um, so how did LG ESS come to fruition and what makes it
Mhm.
unique?
All
And
right.
let's talk a little bit
Okay.
about that.
Yeah. So when I say ESS, LG ESS is under home appliance and air conditioning company,
Yeah.
it's a bit curiosity. Sometimes people
Yeah.
are wondering, but um, when it comes to home electrification, I do believe LG is the only company that providing everything from appliances and then heat pump, HVAC,
Yeah.
and heat pump water heaters
Yeah.
and even EV chargers. So, but the but
Yeah.
one thing that we're missing was energy storage, because
Yeah.
but in the future, but risk current as well. But I believe in the future, the all kind of devices need to be you know integrated so that we can maximize energy efficiency. This is the way that we can reduce the electricity,
Yeah.
because like gas and pure fossil will be not able to supply anymore in near future. So electricity is only the energy resources for operate all kind of devices. But if we cannot integrate and manage properly, it's gonna be disaster.
Yeah.
So we end up with we need something manage that all kind of devices and technology. That's the LGSS. So this is kind of hub of our the platform. So
Yeah.
so with this package, we can go to market and go to customers and provide this is LG Home Energy Package Solution. Uh, yeah. So long story short, the this is the differentiation by other companies. Like there are
Yeah.
many ESS providers, but they don't have kind of you know
Yeah. They don't
the
have the other
slogan.
appliances. They don't have
Exactly.
the washer dryer or the heat pump or the water heater or the
Exactly. Yeah.
HVAC
So
in cooking.
that
I know you guys have a whole series of different products. So then you guys obviously are now inserting a storage, a battery solution into the home. And then does that connects all the appliances, and does that come with a application as well? Is that the ThinQ
Right. Yeah, we do
platform?
have like, the app platform. We call it ThinQ, LG ThinQ. So it connect every devices, LG devices at home,
Yeah.
including ESS. So we already, integrated everything, and we kept developing the program or the capability that ESS can manage all kind of devices with the algorithm, which is the best scenario that reduce the energy consumption. So this is gonna be, the output image, but this is one that we are going to develop our platform.
So what, I mean, besides that major differentiation of being a full-on home electrification solution and a very well-known brand, LG, what other like unique one-to-one differentiation key features, benefits can we talk about in LG ESS's positioning vis-a-vis all the other brands of home batteries that are out there? You know, there's probably a dozen others. Everybody seems to know Tesla, but then all the
Mhm.
major inverter manufacturers nowadays, SolarEdge, Enphase, probably all the others have some
Right.
residential storage solution, many other standalone battery companies. So what makes LG batteries unique?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a very good question. We are not 100% perfect, but I would say when we design this product, we try to develop the industry largest capacity ESS.
Mm.
So we have introduced 14.4 kilowatt hour battery, which is industry
Yeah.
largest.
Yeah. Most of them are around 13 or 12, if I
Yeah, yeah.
remember.
Yeah, next level 13.5, I believe. And
Can you stack a few of them on top of each other to get more power as
yeah,
well?
so yeah, exactly. We can connect four four ESS. Yeah, our brand name is Home 8 LG ESS. So we can stack like four.
That's
So we
enough
can
for a 2 full days of a typical American household with no sunlight.
exactly, exactly.
You
So we are
weren't
trying
kidding.
to
Yeah.
develop the industry largest capacity ESS.
Yeah.
This is our Home 8 right now, and our our module, our battery module, divide by four, so it's very easy to carry. We can take out
Oh,
and then move individually and go to the site and put on our enclosure our closure box, and then we just put
yep.
in there and
I
just
see.
close the panel. So very easy to handle. And another one is we have like um, smart energy box. We have
Yep.
one for inverter and battery, the package, and we have smarter inverter box. There is, HDMI, HDMI, the screen, which can give the full support for installers when they, commissioning, when they installing the ESS, they can work without any connect internet. No need to
Yeah.
connect the they can do whatever they want in that HDMI the screen.
Yeah.
So that's the main differentiation from others.
Yeah.
Others they need to connect with the Wi-Fi and internet, and
Yep.
during the installation, if you lose the signal, then they need to regain. So we learn from that. So we put that kind of capability in our SEB. Very easy to communicate, easy to commissioning.
So the labor time deploy at the
Exactly.
house installing becomes much shorter, I assume.
Right,
Do,
right,
do you
right.
guys keep metrics on that, or can you publicly share some installation time metrics and things like that?
Uh, we internally try to the calculate, but it varies in every home, so
Yeah.
we cannot publish like officially.
Yeah.
But we try to use when we meet the customers and
Yeah.
explain.
Obviously, that is one important metric for installers to be able to go in and get in and out quickly. And the fact that your batteries come with modules, you said 4 modules per battery, so that makes it easy to carry, move around, install, and then the fact that it does not need an internet connection during installation makes that
Right.
install time much shorter, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah. Got it. And for those who are looking to like, what's your go-to-market channels look like? Where can how can a homeowner eventually buy a LG ESS battery? Or
Yeah,
an installer? How do they get
right.
enrolled in your programs to sell it?
Yeah, that's, really, really important, the agenda. So a typical distribution channel, definitely we need to work with distribution partners. And then the most important thing is installers. They need to demand to the distributor, like they need to, I need the LG homemade.
Yeah,
Uh, that the drive distributor
yeah,
interesting to buy from us, right?
right.
So we have approach to the distributor, and then we have operating the program LG Pro dealers, which is installers. Currently, but not that many. We have around 200 LG Pro dealers in the nationwide.
Okay.
So we are providing our, training and um, kind of financing supporting program as well.
Wow.
So
Okay.
that's kind of the a go-to-market strategy as well, distribution
Yeah,
and installers.
yeah.
And another thing is work with utility company for rebate program. So we
Hmm.
also work with utility company so that we can aggressively participate rebate program as well. That's kind of a go-to-market strategy right now.
How does the working with the utilities work? Like, as a homeowner, do I get marketing messages from the utility saying, "Hey, put a battery, get this rebate. Here's an LG battery, and then here's a suggested installer who can put that in," kind of
Yeah, yeah,
communication?
yeah. When utility announced the program or rebate program, then
Mhm.
homeowner will, kind of try to register that program because the program is too attractive. So everybody rushed to register that the program, and installers try to promoting such a battery to the homeowners, which is uh, in the eligible the product list. So we need to work with utility as well as installers to select our battery.
Yeah, got it. One other thing I wanted to talk a little bit about is what is in the near to midterm product roadmap of home electrification in the context of storage and batteries. What else can
Yes,
we expect to see?
yeah, in case of home electrification as a package, we are keep trying to develop the application to manage each and device and technology with our ESS, um, making the optimum energy efficient. So this is kind of, one thing. Another thing is our product is AC coupled. So
Hmm,
we are plan to develop DC coupled as well.
hmm.
So that,
That's
you
really
know,
interesting.
yeah, so this kind of our long-term plan, but I don't know how long it's gonna
Yeah.
be, but this is another the product, the roadmap we are working on it.
Are you guys thinking of any like a bi-directional connection to EV charger type solutions in the context of connecting the home to the car and
Yes.
exchanging energy?
Yeah, since we have EV charger business within
Yeah,
LG Electronics, definitely we will look into that
yeah,
capability. That's a good
yeah.
point.
Well, Chris, thank you for all this wealth of information and a look into the world of LG. And we will do future sessions with your colleagues to dive deeper into your division's great offerings. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you for giving me a chance to, talk to my experience and our product and hope it'll help to promoting our company and our ESS, which is homemade product.
Thank you, Chris. Talk to you
Thank
soon.
you.